Hello, how you doing? So today we're going to make this rice, vegetable fried rice, absolutely delicious, healthy, vegetarian, and this one's vegan. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, let's take a look at some essentials. So you're going to need rice, garlic, and onions. So first of all, rice. I've got about 4 cups there. Now, I always like to use old rice, i.e. not hot or warm rice. That was cooked yesterday and it's been in the fridge. I think it fries a bit better. Tablespoon of garlic. If you wanted, you could be adding ginger to this as well. I'm just going with garlic today. 1 cup of onion sliced. And then the veg I'm using today, I'm going to use mushrooms, zucchini, bell peppers, and green onions. But think about celery, carrots. I mean, you can use whatever you want. Let's get started with that. We're going to add some more stuff as we go along. So you're going to need a wok, skillet or something like that. In there I've got oil. I'm using a corn oil. I've got about 3 tablespoons. The heat's on high. I've just put that on. So it's going to be on pretty high all the way. Let's start off by dropping in the onion and the garlic. To that we're going to add salt and black pepper, and then we're going to go for about 3 minutes, pretty much stirring all the time. Fabulous stuff. Next up we're going to go with our veg. Now I can add all my veg now. So the bell pepper, zucchini, courgette, kusa, whatever you call that, and the mushrooms. These are going to kind of cook at roughly the same rate. But if you add in celery or carrots, for example, you want to get them in first for a few minutes and then be adding these guys. Okay, another 4 minutes or so, high heat, keep it moving, well on our way. Simple as can be. Okay, I'm now going to add some soy sauce. There's about 3 tablespoons there, and I'm using a light soy, and we're going to go for another 2 minutes, again stirring and stirring. We're now going to be adding our rice, like I say, a nice basmati rice, which I do recommend you don't use hot or warm rice. Like I say, that was cooked yesterday and it's been in the fridge overnight. 5 minutes now. Let's really fry this out. So I hope you can hear that going. That is the rice frying. We're making fried rice here, not a rice salad, so fry it, really fry it. If you get a little bit of browning on it or blackening on it, that's going to give you some beautiful flavors. Okay, off goes the heat. Let's get that cup of green onions, spring onions or scallions, whatever you call them. Give that a mix in there, and that's a beauty. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful rice. All right, and there you go. Really simple, really beautiful. Hope you enjoy that. I'll see you soon. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.